Hi everybody, welcome to Excel Prop Marketing Services. We are at Godrej Ananda today. Just thought of giving you a little information about the inventories of the new phase which they have launched, phase 3. Expression of interest are open. Yeah, people who are interested for a 3 BHK large 3 BHK with 2 balconies and normal 2 BHKs, they can reach us. So this is, unfortunately, we are not allowed to take the videos of the new phase since they are yet to apply for RERA. So that's why I have just thought of showing you 2 balconies only from outside. So this is a living area balcony and that's the master bedroom balcony. It's this sample apartment what they have made. It's a 3 BHK Jodi Apartment, right? So the prices starts from 89.99 lakhs, agreement value and subject to change based on the inventories and units which are available for sale. You might reach us if you're interested. For further details, we'll be sharing our contact number in description. Well, before that, so there you can look out, that's the construction happening for phase 1 towers, and phase 2 is right behind that, and here in between, so this is the present marketing office. Most probably this is going to be the clubhouse of the future of Godrej Residences. Like as I was saying, so let me tell you, like square feet of phase 3, 1092 square feet for a 2 BHK Jodi, and then they have 1588 and 1630 square feet apartments which are available for sale within this project. For 2 BHK price starts from 64.99 lakhs, and as I said, prices are subject to change. So whatever pricing we are saying, so this is, we are recording on 25th June 2023, so that people should not get confused. If somebody watches our video after 1 year, so they should not get surprised. K 64.99 was the pricing, and now it has gone to 80 or 75-80 lakhs, right? So reach us everybody if you're interested. We'll share our contact number. Thank you so much for watching us. Have a nice day. Stay safe everybody.